Okay, we're on the record in two cases. The first case is cause number 328396, and the second case is cause number 328398. Both cases are styled the state of Texas versus Dean Daughtery. Mr. Daughtery, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Daughtery, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Daughtery?
I'm fine. How about yourself, Your Honor?
I'm doing fine. Now, Mr. Daughtery, as a defendant in a criminal case, you have three options. Number one, you may hire an attorney. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Number two, if you do not have enough money to hire an attorney, you may request an attorney be appointed to represent you. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Or number three, you may represent yourself. Do you understand that option?
I do.
If you want an attorney to represent you and have enough money to hire an attorney, the case will be reset to give you time to do so. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
If you want an attorney and do not have the money to hire one, you will need to fill out a financial questionnaire so that the proper person can determine whether or not to appoint an attorney to represent you. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
You may not speak to the prosecutor about your case unless you sign a written waiver of your right to be represented by an attorney. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Be aware that there are dangers to self-representation. Waiving your right to an attorney and representing yourself may result in a worse outcome for you and your case, including the loss of significant legal rights and opportunities relating to military service, possession of a firearm, housing and public benefits, child custody, immigration status for non-citizens, and employment. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
If you choose to proceed without an attorney, you may change your mind at any time and may request counsel from the court. Do you understand that?
I do.
Mr. Daughtery, you'll have to make one of the three choices. If your choice is you want to reset this case to hire your own attorney, your case will be reset to give you an opportunity to hire your attorney. Or if you have hired an attorney, then you will tell the court the name of the attorney, and that attorney will be contacted with your reset that will be given. Or if you want to apply for court-appointed counsel, you would have to fill out a financial questionnaire to see if you meet the eligibility requirements to see if you qualify for a court-appointed attorney. Or if you have a court-appointed attorney who's representing you in this case, then you will tell the court the name of the court-appointed attorney, and that attorney will be contacted and given the reset date for your case. Or if you want to waive your right to an attorney and represent yourself, you will tell the court that you would like to waive your right to an attorney and represent yourself. Now, of the three options, Mr. Daughtery, which option are you choosing?
I'd like to waive my rights and represent myself.
Okay, now, Mr. Daughtery, prior to you being allowed to talk to the prosecutor, you will sign a waiver of counsel for purposes of entering your plea of guilty or proceeding to trial. And that waiver is located on the misdemeanor plea admonishment, which is State's Exhibit number 1, and it's on the tablet. And you'll sign that document prior to talking to the prosecutor. Now, I'll just read to you what it says, and it's located on page 2 in the misdemeanor plea admonishment on the waivers. It says, I have been advised this day by the court of my right to representation by counsel in the case pending against me. I have been advised and understand that if I'm determined to be indigent, counsel will be appointed to me free of charge. Understanding my right to have counsel appointed to me free of charge if I am found to be indigent, I wish to waive that right and request the court to proceed with my case without an attorney being appointed for me. I specifically waive my right to be represented by an attorney, to consult with an attorney before I give up these enumerated rights. It is my decision to represent myself, and I do so knowing the dangers and disadvantages of self-representation. I further elect not to request appointment of counsel. Now, Mr. Daughtry, do you understand that?
I've already signed it, Your Honor.
Okay, do you understand what before you signed it?
Yes, sir, I did.
Okay. All right. Now at this time, Mr. Daughtry, you'll have an opportunity to talk to the prosecutor. I'm going to go into recess, give you